the focus we should have, and I'm talking to leaders because members of parliament are among the most senior leaders in Kenya, that we must focus on how the other 49 million Kenyans can also have a job. And that is why the CDF has been amended, and I want to thank Parliament, the National Assembly specifically, hubs. Members, I want you to listen to me very carefully. You have an opportunity to get 300, 1,000, 5,000 people working in your constituency. You have an opportunity today to influence through NGCDF opportunities to be available in every ward in the Republic of Kenya. And I promise you, members, you don't need anything else. If you use CDF properly, you will be re-elected. Just that. Because CDF puts at your disposal million if you cannot win an election. Then you, I mean, you have, wewe ni bure kabisa. Kabisa.
Nake uria wari